Ever wonder which drinks to avoid during pregnancy? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're going to delve into the topic of beverages that should be sidestepped during this special time. We'll be highlighting 5 main culprits you should be wary of: alcohol, unpasteurized juice, drinks high in caffeine, certain types of herbal tea, and unfiltered water. But why should these drinks be avoided, you may ask? Keep watching to understand why these drinks are on the no-go list for expecting mothers. First on our list is alcohol. Consuming alcohol during pregnancy can lead to a myriad of potential risks, including miscarriage, premature birth, and developmental issues. This is because alcohol can pass through the placenta, directly affecting your baby's development. The most severe outcome is fetal alcohol syndrome, characterized by growth problems and nervous system abnormalities. Health experts unanimously recommend abstaining from alcohol entirely during pregnancy to safeguard your baby's health. Remember, no amount of alcohol is safe during pregnancy. Next up is unpasteurized juice. Now, this might seem like a healthy choice, but don't be fooled. Unpasteurized juice hasn't been heat-treated to kill off harmful bacteria. This means that it could potentially harbor bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella, which aren't exactly the kind of guests you want at your baby shower. These bacteria can lead to foodborne illnesses, posing a risk to both you and your little one. So always check the label and make sure your juice is pasteurized. Moving on to high caffeine drinks and herbal tea. It is important to note that caffeine is a stimulant that increases your heart rate and blood pressure, both of which are not recommended during pregnancy. Energy drinks, in particular, may contain high levels of caffeine and other ingredients not recommended for pregnant women. Even coffee, that morning staple, can pose a risk if consumed in large quantities. So, it's advisable to keep your caffeine consumption under 200 milligrams per day, the equivalent of about 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. Now let's talk herbal teas. While they may seem like a safe alternative, it's not always clear which herbs are safe to consume during pregnancy. Some herbs found in teas might actually stimulate uterine contractions or other adverse effects. Therefore, it's essential to always check with your healthcare provider before adding any new herbal teas to your routine. Limit your caffeine intake and always consult your healthcare provider before trying new herbal teas. Last but not least, unfiltered water. You may be wondering why? Well, unfiltered water can harbor a host of harmful bacteria or chemicals that may not be safe for you or your baby. Tiny microorganisms and heavy metals, which are invisible to the naked eye, can potentially lead to health issues. Even if it seems pristine, if it's unfiltered, it's a risk. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Remember, clean, safe water is crucial during pregnancy. In conclusion, during pregnancy, it's best to avoid these 5 drinks. Just to recap, steer clear of alcohol, unpasteurized juice, drinks high in caffeine, herbal teas, and unfiltered water. Remember, when in doubt, always consult your healthcare provider. Stay safe and healthy.